Welcome back to the engine. I don't know if I'll ever finish this project because that's who I am, but welcome back to the SC300 Chronicles. Got tranny bolts out. I figure you guys don't need to see any of that. I put the tranny back in. There's a video on that if you want to watch that. That'd be great. Got to upgrade shifter. And
we're going to call this series the Untouchables.
But yeah. So I'm at the point to where I'm stripping everything down. Did a little test fit on this turbo manifold I picked up over the weekend. Fits nice. Tested a nice sized turbo on it too via Demonstrative Performance over there, aka Paul. He let me test fit, see how everything's gonna fit, and let's just say it's beautiful. But yeah, so right now I'm just working on finishing, pulling everything out on the engine. This engine I don't think ever's been pulled, so everything on it is still factory. Everything just never been touched, so I'm going to delete a lot of stuff. So it's going to take me a bit to actually finish pulling the wire harness out and pulling the intake off, since I got a new aftermarket intake setup for it, since I'm going to be going big single, so I might as well upgrade the intake and everything like that and see where it's gonna go. But time to dive in on this thing. We'll see. If you see me throw a lot of bolts on the ground, it's because I'm not gonna use them. I don't need them, so there's no point. Yeah, let's get into it. Well, camera stopped recording, so I don't know where it ended at. But I got this much of the intake off. This still has all the factory EGR stuff in it. Still just trying to get the wire harness out, find out all the little connections, everything like that, and the grounds that are here. Just figure out where everything went. Each little freaking clip for the injectors, yeah, they're basically toast. They're so brittle, like every time I push them to pull off, they snapped and broke. So looks like I'll be investing into new connections for the injectors. But just got some more wires down here. They'll go, not all of them, 100% on everything. I think that's a knock sensor there. And then I think there's a knock sensor right here. I'm not 100%. Could be oil for all I know. That came off nice. That didn't break. Thank goodness. Alright, well, as you can see, I got it hooked up, trans done, everything's been disconnected. Got the engine harness over there. Little tap of love.
This has to come off.
Ah, thank you.
Alternator. What is it with us and
I was gonna
getting
get it.
alternators?
I even thought, I was like, oh, I'm gonna get that. And then I like, you know, 6 other.
What did I forget? I forgot 2 sensors.
What is it, 14?
Oh my God, the camera's loading.
I swear that's a 13 for no reason. I just gotta go underneath real quick, or Boston can.
Does Toyota do anything for no reason?
This thing is dirty.
I know. That's why I said the engine.
What was living in this thing?
Oil. Oil everywhere. Yeah, you like the backside of me, guys?
Looked like a tree was growing out of this thing.
That's ridiculous. Like nobody ever took care of the engine. Nobody took care of this thing. That's why.
Oh yeah, then you owned it. Like that. This thing.
Hey, this is the best it's ever received.
Well, you know, you like receiving too. So.
No, I'm the pitcher and you're the catcher. Just remember that.
Why you only disconnect one?
Oh, it's rotated.
Yeah. There you go.
There we go. Oh, hey guys. So that's a broken motor engine mount. So one other reason why.
This thing was pretty safe.
Hey Paul. It's a 2-piece.
Oh, no way.
One other reason why this engine had to come out.
That's kind of a big motor.
Isn't it? You know, that makes me anxious to pull the Volvo motor out.
No, that thing runs.
Well, eventually I want to get a motor to rebuild.
Oh hell yeah, we're good. Go ahead.
Wait, I would have yelled if I saw something.
I took the trigger in the front.
This is fucking awesome. Finally, this thing's gonna get some love.
From the next owner, because Nick doesn't keep cars that long.
This one's getting tapped until I get sick of it and not put an engine back in it and you know, part it out. I'm just kidding.
Oh, I thought.
Just kidding, guys. Just kidding.
We won't hold our breath.
Actually, you know, that looks about the same size as the Volvo inline 6.
Volvo. Let's go, those kids hot.
Yep.
This is a hose, you need to do that.
Yeah, no one wants to tip their hoses. There you go.
Okay, we're good. You can bring her out.
Wait, the oil pan's going to hit.
No, it's not. It's clear.
Get on its level.
It was clear.
Alright, and this is when you drop it.
There we go. Oh, get to see a little more of us, huh? How about that? I don't know how focused it is.
Hey, what engine stand are you going to put this on, Nick?
The one that's at my house. So.
She's tight.
What's up, I'm just kidding.
You gotta start going to the gym, it was awesome.
I know.
Look, I just lifted the whole engine up. What
Wait,
do I
isn't
need
that
to
one
put the
cracked?
gym for?
Just set it on inside the wheel.
Nah. Well, hey, just, we got some wood. Where do you want it? And we'll put it on the wood like I did mine more.
Guess we'll bring it over there. Well, it's out, guys. So that's a great thing. I'll do like a video update later about the engine. Probably just a short little clip, and I'll throw it up there. But it's out now. I'm gonna get an engine stand like every other engine in here now, and I'll put the intake on so you guys can see that. It's gonna look great. So as always, like, comment, subscribe. We appreciate it. We're trying to get up there. We got Patreon coming up too because Paul purchased how many new shirts?
We got 15 or 20 coming, something like that.
So you heard him, something of the sort. But yeah, we got that coming. Leave a comment, you know, let us know what you're thinking, how you're feeling about the channel. Obviously, we got a lot of more Z videos coming up, BMW videos, and then obviously my toothless, as I like to call it, because yeah, it doesn't have a heart yet.